How to find your trade URL on Steam. So here I have just opened up the Steam application, and what we want to do is click on our profile name in the top right corner and then view my profile. Now this will load up your profile page, and from here we just want to click on inventory, which is the second option here to the side. Once the inventory has been opened, we want to go to trade offers. Now from this menu, trade offers, we want to select who can send me trade offers. And if we scroll down a little bit, you will see this trade URL, and this is going to be your trade URL, which we can right click and copy. And if we send this to people, they can, well, trade with us. You can share this unique URL with other Steam users to allow them to send you a trade, even if they aren't on your friends list. So that's how you find your trade URL on Steam. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.